The OnePlus 6 ushered in a new design direction for the company, and its DNA runs strong within the 6T. Thanks to a slightly larger display, this phone's footprint is fractionally bigger and it is a touch heavier, but beyond that, changes appear slight. The back is a swathe of curved glass, 3D glass that sits comfortably against your palm. At launch, the two colors, Midnight Black and Mirror Black, sport two distinctly different finishes. In my opinion, the Midnight Black model I tested is the better looking of the two, with a distinctive S-shaped reflection appearing across its back when the light hits it that has an almost opalescent quality. It's a nice effect and repels fingerprints better than most glass-bodied phones, but it also lacks grip as a result. The opposite is true of the Mirror Black version, which offers an inky black reflective finish that looks great until you touch it, after which fingerprints, smudges and smears run rampant. OnePlus originally launched phones with more unorthodox material choices like bamboo and a roughly textured polycarbonate called sandstone. Now, such finishes have been relegated to OnePlus official cases, but it's a nice nod to the brand's first devices. The 6T packs the biggest display OnePlus has ever put on a phone. At 6.41 inches, it's sure to satisfy media lovers, mobile photographers, and gamers. The extended Full HD resolution renders everything with perfect sharpness, and colors only really suffer from distortion at the most unusual of angles. As with its predecessor, the 6T supports the full DCI-P3 wide color gamut, and the company's thrown in options for a variety other color spaces too, such as sRGB, as well as a warm night